Welcome to the Moderator Guide tutorial, in which you will get exposed to all the features needed to moderate your virtual classroom effectively. Let's have a quick look at the interface of the classroom as a moderator. You can join the classroom with microphone or listen-only mode and adjust your mic. Also, you can mute or unmute your audio from here. This is where you can share and stop sharing your webcam. Click on this button to minimize or restore the whiteboard. This is the Raise Hand button. And this is the Action button that includes Take Presenter to be the session presenter. And the Layout Setting Modal option that allows you to customize your meeting view to suit your preferences and optimize the meeting experience. Click on it to open. Here's the custom layout that allows you to customize the placement of webcams to your liking and their relative size to the presentation. The Smart Layout option divides the structure of the webcam and the whiteboard movement automatically for you. The Focus on Presentation feature moves the webcams to the space below the public chat menu, thus maximizing the size of the presentation area. On the other hand, the Focus on Video option will maximize the size of the webcams and move the presentation content to the space below the public chat. But when you select Push to All, the layout you choose will be pushed to all your users in the classroom, which will save you time and effort. At the left side, there is the user list where you can see all the users' names. Here's the public chat where you can send any message to your users. And here is the name of the classroom session, and this is the record button. If you'd like to personalize your meeting settings, here's how. Click on Options and select Settings. To enable the dark mode for your screen, click on the toggle to switch it to on. To change the language, from the Application Language option, choose the desired language from more than 60 languages. And from here you can decrease or increase the font size. To save changes, click Save. Recording the classroom session is a great backup option, as the moderator can record the session for the users to come back to it if they missed a part in it, and be a reference for them. When you click on the Record button at the top of the screen, a window will appear with two options, Yes and No. Click on the Yes button to confirm the start of recording, and No to reject it. You can pause the record and resume it also when you click on the button once more, without affecting the flow of the record, which allow you to include only the parts needed and share it with the participants. If you're recording the session without audio or with the listen-only mode, V.connect will notify you once you click on the record button. A pop notification on the top right side will appear, informing you that there is no active microphone. That will make it easy to manage your session record. The user list is where you can see all users in the classroom and change their setting individually. First, let's take a look at the icons in the user list. The square is the moderator's icon, while the circle is the participant's icon. This is the presenter's icon. Here's the microphone icon, and it has 4 states. Red means the microphone is muted. Green means the microphone is unmuted. Gray means the microphone is disabled. This is the listen-only icon. Now let's move on to the list itself. You as a moderator, when you click on your name, a panel will appear. Select Set Status. A list of various status will appear which you can choose from. Also, you can use the feature Raise Hand from the list that will make it easy to communicate throughout the session. And if the icons are distracting, click on your name in the user list. Select Clear Status. The user icon will return to its default to look more professional. And you can also mute or unmute your mic from here. One click on the user's name in the user list made it easy to manage their settings in the classroom. Click on any username, a panel will appear. Select Start a private chat to write a message privately to this user. Then type your message in the text box and click Enter. Or click on the Send button. This way you can communicate directly to certain users. To make a user a presenter, click on Make Presenter to give him access to all the needed actions. And if you want to switch the moderator of the classroom, click on Promote to Moderator. Here, from the Lock option, you can lock or unlock the settings for a certain user. As when the moderator locks certain settings for the users, you can know more in Lock Viewer's video. So check it out. Remove user is when you want to remove a user. If you check this box, the user will not be able to enter the classroom once he is removed. The user list features help you as a moderator to have a control over all the users in the classroom. The Manage Users is where you can change the settings for all the users in the classroom. Click on the icon here to open the panel. First, you can mute or unmute all the users in the classroom. Or now you want the attention to be given to the presenter only with no other noises. Then select Mute All Users except the presenter. All users will be muted except the presenter, but they will be able to unmute themselves when they want. Lock Viewer feature provides the moderator with the ability to lock certain features off the users. You can know more about it in Lock Viewer's video. Guest Policy feature give the access to the moderator to monitor the user's entrance to the classroom, and you can know more about it in Guest Policy video. Check it out. Select Save Username. If you as a moderator want to go through the participants or want to keep a record of who joined the classroom, you can download the list of the users in a Word document in your PC to go back to it and review it anytime. Clear all status icons. You can clear all the emoticons of the users in the classroom to keep the session less distracting. Create Breakout Rooms is the feature where you as a moderator can use it to divide the users into different rooms for a certain activity or discussion, and you can know more about it in Breakout Rooms video. Learning Analytics Dashboard is the feature provided to the moderator to monitor all the activities and actions that happened throughout the session. Check Learning Analytics Dashboard video to know more. As the Manage User feature made it easy and accessible for the moderator to control the session and users. Lock Viewers is the feature V.connect provides to you as a moderator to lock and unlock certain features to the users, which they will not be able to change unless you as a moderator change it. Click on Manage User icon, a panel will appear. Select Lock Viewers to open a screen. From this screen, the moderator can have control over the settings and access of the participants in the classroom. Let's take a look at them. First, Share Webcam is whether the moderator wants participants to be able to use their webcams or not. See other viewers' webcams if the moderator wants the participants to be able to see each other's webcams, but they will be able to see the moderator's webcam either way. Share Microphone if the moderator wants to allow participants to use their microphone or not. Send public chat messages if the moderator wants participants to have access to write messages in the public chat or not. Send private chat messages if the moderator does not want the participants in the session to have a private chat with each other or not. See other viewers in the users list if the moderator wants the participants to see each other in the users list or to only be able to see the moderator. See other viewers' cursors means that when the multi-using whiteboard is enabled, the participants can see each other's cursors and actions. But when it's locked, the users cannot see the cursors of other participants, which you as a moderator can use to prevent overlapping actions, have a more organized session, and have overall control over it. Once you finish setting your features, click on Apply. The moderator can give exceptions for certain participants when he clicks on the participant's name and clicks on the Unlock Student. This will unlock all features in the Lock Viewers that the moderator selected. Lock Viewers feature helps prevent unwanted interruptions or disruptions and control during the classroom. The Guest Policy feature in V.connect provides the moderator with the ability to secure and monitor the user's access to the classroom. Click on Manage User icon, a panel will appear. Select Guest Policy, a pop-up window will appear. You can choose one of the three options. If you clicked on Always Accept, all users should be able to access the classroom smoothly. Always Deny, users will be redirected to the home page. And to have more flexibility to manage the classroom, select Ask Moderator. After selecting Ask Moderator on the User Management tab, click on Waiting Users. A panel will open with different options that you can use to enhance your security more and accessibility for your users and guests. Allow All Authenticated will give access to people who are subscribed to V.connect. Allow all guests will allow people who have the link with no subscriptions after entering their names. Allow everyone. All the waiting users should successfully join the meeting, but any new user will wait in the lobby till the moderator approve. Deny everyone. All the waiting users will be redirected to the home page. If you checked Remember Choice and clicked on Allow Everyone, anyone is waiting or will join the classroom newly can enter without waiting in the lobby. The opposite, if you clicked on Deny Everyone, all the waiting users will be redirected to the home page. If there are users trying to enter the classroom, a pop-up will appear in the moderator's screen on the top right corner stating participant has joined the session and is waiting for your approval. And the participant at this time will be waiting in the lobby for the moderator approve. If there is a participant waiting in the lobby, it will appear here. And you can accept, send message, or deny a certain pending participant. From the text box in the top, you can write a message to the users who are waiting in the lobby and click Send. They will be able to see the message in the lobby while waiting. That way, you as a moderator will have overall control of the users who will enter the classroom. A lot of messages are flowing in the public chat and you want to manage them. Click on the public chat icon located on the left-hand side of the screen. Take notice also that the moderator's chat is bold, while the participants are not. Then click on the chat option here. A drop menu will appear. Click on Save to save the messages as a text document in your PC to save any information or idea shared in the chat. Or select the Copy button if you want to copy your public chat messages, which will be saved in the clipboard. And last, select the Clear button to clear your public chat messages if you want to start a new conversation or activity. You finished the session and wrapped the classroom, so the last step is to leave or end the meeting. Look for the Options button in the top right corner of the screen. Then click on the Options button. You, as the moderator, have the leaving option and the end meeting option, which are only available to the moderator. Let's now know each one of them. Select Leave Meeting from the options list. A box will appear on the screen to confirm that you have logged out from the classroom. Click the OK button in the box to go back to the home page. Like this, you left the session, but it is still going, and you can go to the classroom once more if you want. Now you want to end the classroom, which is only a function for the moderator. Click the Options button. Select End Meeting. A confirmation box will appear. Click Yes to end the meeting. All participants will leave the meeting, and you cannot go back to the same classroom. When you click on Open Learning Analytics Dashboard as a moderator, you can monitor the activities and actions of the participants in the session. To know more, check out the Learning Analytics Dashboard video. That's all for now. See you in the next tutorial.